back to my channel, guys. My name is Michigan and I'm going to be doing my makeup. So without further ado, I've already put a kind of like a shiny primer on my face, and now I'm going to get started with foundation. Next, we're going to work our way with the concealer. Okay. Now we're going to beauty blend all of that. It's a lot. And I'm going to come back with my face blended. Okay, so now that my concealer is blended, I'm going to go in with some baking powder and a mix with a little bit of the Savage X Fenty Pro, whatever the fuck it's called, the Pro Filter powder, and nutmeg. Now that I've applied the Savage X Fenty powder, I know I look a little bit dry and flaky, but that's all gonna go away. So next we have the contour, and I'm gonna be using this dual contour stick, and I'm gonna apply that and I'll be right back. I thought I'd just show you guys how I blend a little bit. Kind of do like a little upwards motion. And I'll be back with it all. I'm using this duo kind of red blush bronzerish, if you know what I mean. I'm going to blend that in.
Then I'm going after this with some blush on the roses of my cheeks. So now that that's blended in, we're gonna go in with some of the blush side. My beauty blender just
apply a little bit of blush right here. Not too much clown, but very much happy, rosy, excited, flirtatious.
Blush. Undeniably happy.
So now we're gonna go in with the eyebrows, and anyone who knows me knows I have not gotten my eyebrows done in over 2 years, I would say. So I literally just brush them and then go with that natural look, because naturally my eyebrows are shaped, I think, fine. They are caterpillars, but if I want them to be very sharp, you know what I mean, not sharp but very shapely, I'll just go in with some concealer, which I'm going to do today. After I fill them in, I'm going to go in with some concealer and just sharpen the edges up and make it look like I got my eyebrows done, freshly done. And then I'll be done with eyebrows. So I'm going to fill these in, and then I'll come right back when I shape them up with concealer. And if there's anybody out there who's like, what, asking the question, hey, why she don't got her eyebrows done? Why she wait that long? Why she haven't got her eyebrows done? It's because the last time I went to go get my eyebrows done, I like getting them threaded. I've never got my eyebrows waxed before.
This lady, I'm guessing she works there, so she knows what she's doing, right? I'm not going to judge her about what she looks like, what she's wearing, how she smells, anything. She's cross-eyed. So I second guess, and I'm like, should I let her do my eyebrows? I'm like, she's working here for a reason. They wouldn't have her working here if she doesn't know what she's doing. So I let the cross-eyed lady do my eyebrows, and she them up, period. One was up here and one was down here, and I would just had to like live with it. So I've let my eyebrows grow out to caterpillar length to get them the same size almost, so that way when I go to get my eyebrows done, they're not like all the way messed up and they can kind of like fix them. I just haven't gotten the chance to go back or gotten the chance to build up enough courage to trust anyone else to shape them up. So I just do it myself with concealer, and that's what we're gonna do next. So when I come back, they will be nice, sharp, and concealed. Just get a little bit of footage doing this. And over time, my eyebrows have changed shape. They've been a little bit straighter. They've been more curved. Every time I do my eyebrows, it's a little different. I think women should change their eyebrows every now and again to get a little different look or feel. Just like, you know, we change our hair. Having a different eyebrow does not hurt. It does not hurt. And I think it's fun. I think that was a quote from Marilyn Monroe or something. The eyebrows. But anyway, I'm going to blend these concealer out, and I'll be right back.
Now the only thing that I have left to do is highlight and an eye look, and then lashes. So when I come back, I will have my highlight, my eyes done, and my lashes done. So before I put my lashes on, this is the end result. I have my highlight, my eye look, and then last we have lashes. So I'll be right back with the lashes. I know I said I was going for a natural look, but you know, the eyeshadow came out with whatever it came out with, so I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back and I am finished with today's makeup look. My lips are lined. I have glitter eyebrows on, and yeah, if you guys love this video, like it, share it, comment down below what you hated or you loved about the video, and I will see you back with another one. Bye.